The date today is November 9th, 2024. You can see behind me there are some plants. Yes, Zone 7 Kentucky, guys. We still have plants growing in the garden. Although the biggest part of this garden, which was planted with tomatoes, is already empty. You can see here a row of peppers. Unbelievable. Like, this is probably the longest that I've grown the peppers in my garden. This is crazy. Like, I feel like I regretted actually that I pulled some of the pepper plants because I pulled all of the jalapeno peppers. I left some in here just to see what happens to them, and here they are. They're still good. And in fact, today we can harvest some bell and banana peppers. So here, look at this, guys. Isn't this beautiful? So we're harvesting some of this. I have a lot of frozen bell peppers in my freezer now. Now these ones that I'm harvesting are for the produce stand. Oh, 3 beautiful bell peppers from that one plant. I don't know why I put the basket far away. Let's get the basket here. For this time of the year, this is such an amazing harvest. Like, usually in this area around this time my plants are gone, but here they are, still alive and still producing. So I have quit fertilizing this garden already because I thought that they're gonna die. Now this is a bad one. We're just gonna remove that. Yeah, I'm not fertilizing these plants anymore. So they are just surviving of whatever nutrients they can get from the ground. This is actually the reason why I like growing plants in ground, because they just get all of the nutrients. Look at that. Isn't it nice? Okay, let's go this way. These are a little bit too small, so see if we can find some big ones. I feel like my area will probably move to a higher zone. You know, just like what happened to the other planting zones. I mean, we've been a zone 7A since forever, probably. I mean, I started gardening in 2015 in this property, and usually by end of October all of my plants are done. We even still have okras, guys. That's unbelievable, right? Oh, look at that. Yeah, these plants are actually loaded with peppers. They're right here. They're hiding underneath the leaves. But very nice, very nice. Oh no, look at what I did. This is not how I'm supposed to harvest them. I actually brought me a clipper. But it's too late for that. That's okay though. That's okay. So usually I just clip them like this. Yeah, get that. Yeah, it's too late for that because I already I already damaged it, but this can go to the chickens. In this area we have some of the sweet banana peppers. They're still producing, guys. We actually have some banana peppers that are still big. Like, look at this one here. Talking about this one, look at that. This is really good. And these peppers taste so good too. Oh, that's just dirt from the ground, but yeah, look at that. Ooh, amazing. Oh, look at this one in the back, guys. It has fallen over. Oh, the stem broke. I think because this part is very heavy, but it's still a little bit connected to the main plant. See that? And so it's still providing nutrients to this part of the plant, even if it has fallen over already. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this in here, let the plant survive as long as it can, and so these little peppers can grow a lot bigger. Nice. Oh, this is really exciting. Now this one plant here, I think this is a nutrient deficiency. I know it needs nitrogen, but I am fixing to remove the irrigation line that goes into this garden. So I'm not even going to run the fertigation system for this. I will just be harvesting whatever I can, put some in my produce stand, and freeze some of them. This is what we have so far, but we got plenty here. Look at that, guys. Ooh, oh, look at this one. Oh my gosh, look at how big this is. Oh, this is such a giant. I mean, for this time of the year, getting a banana pepper from my garden is really very amazing. Like, I'm enjoying this harvest, guys. I hope you are too. This is such an amazing day in my garden, guys. Oops. There's one more in here. That's big enough. It's a little bit brown on the tip. I think this is from touching the fabric, but that's okay. Look at that. Ooh. Now that one's a little bit yellow. And here we go. Not bad for a November Saturday morning harvest. Now we are on the other side of my garden, and here we have our eggplants. Guys, we still have eggplants. Like, they're still growing like crazy, and they are still producing. Look at that. See all of those eggplants. I need to harvest them too. And also our orange eggplants, they're so beautiful. Okay, they're on the other side of the trellis, so let's just move this way. Oh, look at that, guys. These are the Turkish orange eggplants. Aren't they pretty? And then right there we have our okras. Yeah, those okras need to be harvested too. It looks like a lot of the pods are too big to eat, but whenever I remove that, they will grow some more pods, and they should still be good. Like, we don't have freezing temperatures yet in the next 14 days. So we're good. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I just wanted to share my excitement to see all of these plants growing in my garden. Like, they're still growing in November. That's crazy. Alright guys, I hope you're doing great and having fun in your garden as well. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Have a great day!